Hello, welcome to my channel, the place where I take you on RV tours, campground tours, to hiking destinations, and so much more. Now, today's video is a part 2 to a follow-up to my previous video in which I am refurbishing the black accent pieces on my Mercedes Sprinter van. I'm using this truck bed coating, and let me show you what I did in my previous video. So I did the driver's side step, along with that non-skid plate, the front grille and bumper, the running board along with the non-skid plates. So now I'm going to be doing this molding here on the side, the rear bumper. I'm also going to spruce up the Rotopax mount. And the molding here on the driver's side. Now I'm also thinking about doing some touch-up work on these little parts right here. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to start by removing the rear bumper. So here are the tools that I will be using: a T40 socket, a molding tool, and wire cutters. So I'm going to start by removing those bolts, and I'll show you where they are. There's 7. Then I'm going to be removing these 2 panels right here. So I'm going to use the wire cutters to cut the zip tie, and then I am going to disconnect the wiring harness. All right, so let's start by removing the bumper. So let's open these doors up. So let's get to it. There are a couple more bolts that need to be removed, 2 on each side. Now I'm going to pull these trim tabs out. Okay, so I'm going to set these down with the bolts. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now, let me show you. So if you're really careful, you don't have to remove this whole piece right here. You can just get to the tabs that you need to, and then you can remove the bumper. I also have to remove an additional tab located right here. I now have the rear bumper removed. I've placed it off to the side, getting ready to be painted. So I'm going to show you screws that needed to be removed along with the molding tabs. So I'm going to show you. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that had to be removed. Now the molding tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 molding tabs needed to be removed. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up and ready to be painted. I also removed the sensors so that they do not get paint on them. I've cleaned it up. I'm waiting for it to dry, and I did pop out those reflectors. Okay, so it looks like it's nice and dry, so I'm going to start putting the first coat on. I've just finished the second coat, so once it dries, I am going to reassemble this bumper and put it back on the van. All right, I've reinstalled the bumper and take a look. Came out pretty well. Now, when I removed this side panel, I did end up breaking a couple of these trim mounting clips, so I did order some on Amazon, and you can find the link for these in the description. I want to show you how I tape up my Sprinter van so I don't get the truck bed coating spray on the paint. So this is how I do it. I just take a piece of tape and then I make sure to get in behind the molding and I wiggle it in back and forth and it goes down in there, and then I place it upwards, and I do this on each side, so then I can apply my plastic on top and tape it to the painter's tape, and then I can begin with my spray coating. So let me show you that I've hung the top of my plastic piece so that when it hangs down, it meets just about the center of the strip of the green tape, so that when I tape the bottom, it makes a nice tight seal. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom part over here, and I'm going to cover up the wheel area with some cardboard. Okay, so I've got everything all taped up and prepped, nice and protected, so let's start spraying. So I just finished up this side here, and take a look. Looks pretty good. I am going to work on these little ports here and try to freshen them up a little. I started on this one a touch and it is already looking better. I'm also going to coat this Rotopax mount, and definitely has to be sanded first, so I'm going to do that and take it from there. So this little area here has a lot of little crevices, so an angled brush would be best, and I didn't have one, so I just took some scissors and made it an angled brush. So I'm going to spray some of this coating on the brush and then use it to get into those little spots. All right, so I finished everything up. I've coated the side moldings. I've touched up these little ports. Take you around to the back. I sanded and painted the Rotopax mount. And take a look all around. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So hopefully, if you need to spruce up your Sprinter van, you can try this too. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this two-part series. Please join me for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.